Okay, so in this tutorial, we'll discuss how to update a website by adding more products to an existing catalog. So we will go to the website that has the catalog. So in this case, it's Isra Limited Canada. Uh, we got to log into the administrative end. To do that, uh, you go down to the footer and click on the Isra Limited Canada link. This link will open up the administrative end of the website. So click on there and then you log in using the provided username and password and log in. So there you are in the administrative back end of the website. In order to see the front end of the website, if you just click on the Israel Limited Canada, visit site. This is the front end of the website. Because you are logged in as the administrator, you'll see the WordPress bar up here with the different options: editing page, enabling visual builder, etc. But in this tutorial, we are focusing strictly on the catalog, so we'll go back to the back end. So to go to the back end, you click here, Israel Limited Canada, and click on Dashboard. Okay, so we are back at the back end, and then let's add a product to the catalog. So here's your catalog. We got to add a new item. Add new item. So this is add new item screen where you add the new item. So for our example, we will say electric motor, uh, electric motor, say 60 hertz. That's an example. This is the short description for the product. So you're gonna fill this. This motor operates on 60 hertz alternating current. And then for the sake of this demonstration, I'm just going to copy paste the same thing. So that's the short description. And then you go to the actual description. So this covers uh, specifications and videos of the motor, including any other extra features. So this is just an example. Okay, so let's say we want to add a PDF document. So you just click on add media. The add media page will open. You select file, so you can add a PDF from here. You can also add pictures from here. So let's say PDF. So select file and then locate your PDF. So here it is. And we got to insert it into the post. So here's your PDF. And then okay, so since the PDF is already here, uh, let's make this PDF open in a new tab. So when you're looking at the product on the front end, when somebody clicks on the PDF, it doesn't open on the same page, but it opens on a new page, the PDF. So click here and click on the edit, the pencil button, click on the gear, the link options, and you gotta say open link in new tab. Open link in a new tab. Okay, so that's your spec sheet. You can say this is the spec sheet. Okay, so then you get more wording. Now let's add a video. Okay, so we have this video from YouTube that is the motor video. So we'll copy this link and then we'll go back to our product and we will paste it here. And as soon as you paste it, it changes to a video. Okay, then on the right hand side over here, we go to item image. So it goes to this item image pop-up where you can add pictures that are already in your media, or you can upload new pictures. So click on upload files, select files, and we've got about 4 pictures from our computer. So we add that. So let's say we want to add this here, set its main image. To add the other pictures, you can come back here, and if you want, you can add it here as well. So now that your cursor is under the video, you can add media, and let's put this, starting to post. So here's a picture. Okay, you can say review this. Basically, it's a pretty easy editor where it's like almost like Microsoft Word, but it's WordPress. Image one, description, then you can have image two description, and so on and so forth. This here is the main image. Okay, and then you gotta click on what category does this fall under. So automotive, sub 2. It can be anything. You can have more than one category as well. So for the sake of this tutorial, we'll just pick it as automotives category 2. And then, so just to remember, this is electric motor 60 Hertz. So now we publish the image and the product and the video, and there you go. So now if we go back to our front end, this is our front end. If you go to our catalog, which in this case is the products tab, here it is because it's sorted by the newest. Here's your product. Click on that product. It goes to the short description, and then it goes to the long description. Here's your PDF that opens in a new tab, and here's your video. And then you can go to the pictures, and there you have it. That's the end of the tutorial in terms of adding new products. Now, for the second tutorial, let's assume you want to add more categories. So in this case, we have automotive is the main category, automotive service, and then we have auto sub 1, auto sub 2. This is the the main category. This is the subcategory. Same with the nano-based materials is the main category. Nano sub 1, nano sub 2 are the subcategories of the nano-based materials. So let's go ahead and create a third main category and add two subcategories inside it. So go back to the dashboard, and then if you look at the catalog, let's go to item categories. So over here, add new item category. So let's say third main category. You can leave this blank. Parent item category is none because this is the main category, so there's no parent. However, when you do the subcategories, you would select this as the main category. But anyways, we'll go ahead and just add this first one, third main category. Now you can see on the right hand side here, we got the third main category. We gotta say third, third category sub one. So for the parent item category, we can choose it to be under this one here. So now you can see that's the third main category. The one line is the one that's under this, so it's third category sub one. And then let's add third category sub two under the same parent third main category. Add. And now if I go to the front end and go to products, so okay, so let's go back to the dashboard. Catalog, item categories. Because there's no products in them right now, it did not show anything in the front end. It hides categories that do not have a product. So let's go ahead to our previous products and modify their categories to include them into these ones here. So let's go to catalog from here. Here's the electric motor. You can just click on edit, or you can click on quick edit. Edit allows you to quickly edit a few things uh, quickly. So we go ahead and let's say we click this and this, update. So now if I go to the front, and now if I go to the products, you can see our third category sub one has one item, which is the motor. So this motor now is belonging to three categories. It's so if you open that, same product, and you go to that category here. So anyways, we've gone over how to add a new product. We've gone over how to add new categories and subcategories, and we've also discussed how to modify an existing product and change details. Like in this case, we added the third category. That concludes the tutorial for this.